up.
Boy, he's got a fat butt.
Yeah, he's in good shape. The birds want their food, so they're charging the deer, trying to get him to leave. One of them actually hit the buck in the horns. Tried to land on his horns and give him a hard time.
What was it, a mockingbird?
Nah, just some birds that also want to get down there and eat because they're used to the, I don't know what kind of birds those are, probably a mockingbird or something, but big enough to actually kind of walk the deer off. He's up moving around there. Let's see if he comes around again in the brush. Yeah, there he goes. He's just staying up around that brush line right where the old fence line was. He'll walk out again in the, yeah, there he goes. He likes that sun. Well, the birds are all flying around. They really, boy, they're even charging at the other little doe that's still here trying to eat. Go back up in the shadows, a little doe here. Kind of cute to see the birds. They want their little feeding ground back. So they're actually, hadn't seen that before. Every once in a while we'll dive down and hit this little doe in the back to get her to move. Didn't know they were so aggressive. That little doe won't give up. She wants to. Well, they ate everything except the really, the little French bread or whatever you call that stuff. Well, that buck hadn't come out. He'll probably come out down there by the road and cross over the lower field. The wind's kicking up pretty good.